the SAMChat now, whenever you come into SAMChat, it now is movable, so you can move it around. We kind of talked about this. We hadn't released it last week, but we kind of talked about it. This is where you can send commands and stuff. So what do I have on my schedule today? Just as an example here, this is using our AI pieces, our data that we've got in here, and building out. If I could have said it potentially verbally or whatever, and then it goes through and it tells me what's on my schedule. I've got a demo days, which we just did, and then the office hours, which we're doing right now. So very easily see the things that's on the calendar that way. I could add things to the calendar and do different things like that. So we're adding more and more features here to be able to do things. So definitely keep your eyes open for that. If something has a lot of content, a lot of deal, you can hit the little square here to enlarge the screen or shrink the screen. And that way you can see more content. It may have big details of stuff or instructions. So, how do I add contacts to the database? So instead of it looking at the data, it should know that, hey, I need to do something. So I can come over here. I need to give instruction on how to use the software, and it'll go through there. So we've been building out that knowledge base of SAM, and going to continue to build on that. So he will get smarter and smarter as we go along.